Welcome to a gentle cardio movement session. Let's begin by lifting our knee up as high as we can. Get your arms overhead. Bring your hands to your knees when you can. We're going to move with pace throughout the entire session today. You modify, slow down when you need to, pick up the pace when you can, but let's just stay moving for the next 10 minutes or so. And if nothing else, let's boost our mood and energy and continue with this incredible consistency. Similar movement, but now let's take our hands out and bring them up underneath our leg. Be very dynamic in the movements. Move around your space. Keep your head up high. Connect to your breath. Let's bring real presence into this session. So even though it's short, it's going to be very effective when we bring all of our awareness so that we can continue to avoid distraction and get the most out of everything that we do. Excellent. Hopefully we're loosened up now. Bring your feet in together. Squat down. Bring your forearms together. Rise up high and spread out wide. Sink down. Up big. Get small. Get big. Breathe in and exhale. Once you got the movement, let's move with pace. Bring those forearms together. You're going to notice, feel that in the shoulders, in the upper back, building mobility and cardiovascular strength. Ooh, leg strength as well here. Hallelujah. Let's go. Look up to the sky. Yeah. One more here. Awesome. Already. Skip to the side. Big circle of the arm, like an underhand toss, but circle it around. Continue to move with just a bit of pace. Swing that arm. Be playful. There we go. You got it. Let's push ourselves a bit today. Let's find our edge and go a little beyond. Nicely done. Awesome. We're going to come into a skier. But I'd like you to bend down just a bit. Hinge at the hips. So, move steadily, but also bend down a bit and see if we can't stretch out our lower back at the same time. And let's go. Maybe you bend just a little bit more. Ooh, yeah. Find a spot on the ground, give it all your attention, and move. Maybe you swing those arms up just a little higher. And here we go into the next movement already. Jogging on the spot. Come up on the balls of your feet. Move. And then we're going to jump out. One hand comes down. Run. Jump. Other hand. You got it. Whenever you're ready, run, 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 and come on down. Whew, there we go. You got it. Ready, go. Run, 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 go. Run, 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 go. Couple more. Last one here. Yes. Let's dig in the heel. Open up your chest wide. Continue with pace. If you need to slow things down, by all means. But we can move quickly here as well if you like. Again, find that edge. Whew. I can keep going, but listen to your body. Oh. Dig that heel in. I want to feel it in the back of the leg too. This is great. We're stretching things out. The chest and the shoulders, as well as our hamstrings. Keeping that heart rate up. Couple more. Yeah, well done. Okay, we're gonna move. Breathe in. Exhale, bring out. Big body wave. Great time to slow it down just a bit. Connect to your breath. Breathe in. Exhale. When you rise up, get real long. Feel your spine lengthening. Exhale, bend forward. And when you're ready, really get that big body wave going up and down. Find a flow that works for you and just go with it. You got it. Enjoy the movement. Smile when you come to the top. Yeah. Ooh. All right. Last one here. Brilliant. We're going to make big circles with our arms and then sink down. Big circle. Squat down. Breathe in, exhale, let it out. And whenever you like, feel free to pick up the pace. Big circle of your arms. Squat as low as you like. And just feel alive. Feel that energy just flowing throughout. How strong you are. You are limitless. Be playful. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Couple more. Yes. Lovely. Now, one last movement to finish off our session, to bring all of our awareness into it. We're going to come back to the skier. So, step your foot back, reach your other arm out, but let's really slow it down. Breathe into one side, out to the other. We're using this as a recovery movement, but it's also great for stretching things out, winding down. And just notice when you really truly connect to your breath, how much more quickly you recover, how you can calm your nervous system just by breathing with intention and focus. Stretch it out. Get long. Great for balance here. Let's go one more to each side. Really deep breath in and let it all out. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're feeling as good as I am. I will see you tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.